Welcome back, fellow traders. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Forex trading and uncovering the essential economic indicators that can shape your success as a trader. Forex trading isn't just about charts and currencies. It's about understanding the economic forces that drive them. Economic indicators are like signposts, guiding you through the Forex landscape. Exploring key Forex economic indicators. Let's explore some of the most crucial Forex economic indicators that traders closely follow to make informed decisions. 1. Gross Domestic Product, GDP. First up, we have Gross Domestic Product, or GDP. This comprehensive measure assesses a country's economic health, including production, consumption, and investment. A growing GDP often means a stronger currency as it reflects economic growth and confidence in the nation's economy. 2. Interest rates. Interest rates, set by a country's central bank, are a significant driver in Forex markets. When central banks raise interest rates, it can attract foreign capital seeking higher returns, potentially strengthening the nation's currency. Conversely, lower rates may have the opposite effect. 3. Inflation rate. The inflation rate measures the increase in consumer prices over time. Moderate inflation is usually seen as a positive sign for a currency, suggesting a healthy economy. However, high inflation can erode the purchasing power of a currency, making it less attractive. 4. Employment data. Employment data, including the unemployment rate and non-farm payrolls, provide valuable insights into a country's labor market. A low unemployment rate and strong job creation can signal economic health and often lead to currency strength. 5. Trade balance. The trade balance measures a nation's exports versus imports. A trade surplus, exports exceed imports, can bolster a currency as it indicates strong demand for a country's goods and services. Conversely, a trade deficit may weaken a currency. 6. Consumer Price Index, CPI. The Consumer Price Index, CPI, tracks changes in the prices of a basket of consumer goods and services. Rising CPI can suggest inflationary pressures, potentially impacting a currency's value as central banks may adjust interest rates in response. 7. Political stability. Political stability is a critical but often intangible factor. Political events, elections, or government stability can have a significant impact on a currency's strength. Uncertainty or turmoil can lead to currency fluctuations. 8. Consumer confidence. Consumer confidence reflects the sentiment of consumers towards their country's economic prospects. High consumer confidence can indicate a robust economy and increased consumer spending, potentially supporting a currency. 9. Retail sales. Retail sales data provides insights into consumer spending patterns. Strong retail sales figures suggest a healthy economy, as consumers are spending more. This can positively affect a currency's value. 10. Manufacturing and PMI data. Purchasing Managers' Index, PMI, data offers a glimpse into the manufacturing sector's health. A PMI above 50 indicates expansion, potentially signaling overall economic growth, making it a leading indicator. To conclude, in the complex world of Forex trading, economic indicators are your compass. By understanding and monitoring them, you can make more informed trading decisions.